Here's a truth the knife industry doesn't always want you to hear. You do not need to spend a fortune to get a genuinely excellent bushcraft knife. In fact, some of the most capable, most trusted woodcraft blades on the planet cost less than a decent dinner for two. The bushcraft world is overflowing with incredible value right now, and the sub-$100 category has quietly become the sweet spot where real performance meets real affordability. So what exactly should a great bushcraft knife do? At its core, it needs to carve, batten, and prep, peeling clean feather sticks for fire, splitting kindling, shaping wood for tools and shelter, and handling everything from food prep to game processing. The best ones pair a comfortable, grippy handle with a tough, easy-to-sharpen blade and a grind that bites into wood with control. Get those fundamentals right, and the price tag almost doesn't matter. Every single one is a knife you can buy with total confidence, take into the backcountry, and trust to perform. Stick around to number 1, because it's arguably the best bushcraft value on the entire planet. Let's get into it, starting at number 7. Number 7, Schrade SCHF 36 Frontier. Kicking off our countdown is a knife that proves rock-bottom prices and genuine hard-use capability aren't mutually exclusive. The Schrade SCHF 36 Frontier has earned a devoted following among budget-minded bushcrafters for delivering a tough, full tang, do-everything blade at a price that feels almost too good to be true. This is the definition of an abuse-it-and-forget-it workhorse. The construction hits all the right notes for a serious bushcraft tool. The Frontier is built around a full tang blade of 1095 high-carbon steel, giving you the structural strength to batten through wood, pry, and tackle heavy tasks without a flicker of doubt. That full tang build is non-negotiable for real woodcraft, and the Schrade delivers it for a fraction of what you'd expect to pay. The 1095 carbon steel is classic bushcraft wisdom in action. It's not a fancy super steel, and it doesn't need to be. Carbon steel like this prioritizes raw toughness and effortless field sharpening over fussy edge retention. That means you can thrash it relentlessly carving, battening, and chopping, then bring the edge screaming back with nothing more than a simple stone. For a knife, you're going to genuinely work hard. It's exactly the right trade-off. The Frontier is a substantial, fist-filling knife with a thick spine and a generous blade that gives it real chopping and prying authority. The grippy textured handle scales fill the palm and lock in confidently, even when your hands are wet, cold, or muddy. And the square spine throws a solid shower of sparks off a ferro rod, making firecraft straightforward. It typically ships with a durable nylon belt sheath that carries the blade securely, basic, but entirely functional for field use. The blade does require a quick wipe and occasional oiling to ward off rust, as all carbon steels do. But that minimal upkeep is a small price for the toughness you're getting. Number 6, Condor Bushlore. The Condor Bushlore has built a loyal following among traditional woodcraft enthusiasts, and it represents the kind of soulful, handcrafted feel that's usually reserved for far pricier blades. This is a knife that nails the fundamentals of working woodcraft. The Condor Bushlore features a 4.3-inch carbon steel blade with a Scandi grind, a walnut handle, and full tang construction. That Scandi grind is the heart of its carving prowess. It bites into wood with beautiful, controlled precision, peeling clean feather sticks and shaping wood with the effortless control that defines great bushcraft blades. The classic carbon steel and natural materials give it genuine soul. That carbon blade takes a wickedly sharp edge and resharpens easily in the field, while the warm walnut handle isn't just beautiful. It's comfortable and grippy through long carving sessions. It's the kind of knife that looks better and feels more personal the more you use it, developing a patina and character all its own over the years. The full tang construction is the key upgrade that makes it a serious tool rather than a light-duty carver. The steel runs the entire length of the knife, giving you the backbone to batten through kindling and handle the hard tasks that would push a partial tang blade to its limits. It's a genuine do-everything bushcraft companion. Reviewers consistently praise it as a tremendous value in the traditional space. The Bushlore delivers a handcrafted, old-school feel and real hard-use capability at a fraction of what custom makers charge for similar designs. Condor forges its blades with genuine attention to traditional knife making, and that craftsmanship shows in the finished tool. It typically ships with a quality leather sheath that complements the classic aesthetic and carries comfortably on a belt, a genuinely nice inclusion at this price. As with all carbon steels, a quick wipe and occasional oiling keeps the blade rust-free and pristine. Number 5, Morakniv Garberg. The Morakniv Garberg is the full tang flagship that answered the bushcraft world's biggest complaint, and it's become one of the most recommended do-everything blades you can buy at any price, let alone under $100. For years, Moras were criticized for one thing, and the Garberg fixed it completely. The Morakniv Garberg is a full-tang knife designed for heavy-duty use, making it suitable for battening and other demanding tasks. That full-tang construction was the game-changer. It gave Mora fans the rugged strength they'd always wanted, unlocking battening, prying, and hard tasks that the partial tang companion simply wasn't built for. The result is a genuine workhorse that still carries Mora's legendary value. You get a properly executed Schrade grind that carves and feather sticks with that signature effortless control, now backed by the structural backbone to split kindling and work hard all day. It's the versatility that's made it such a runaway favorite among bushcrafters and survivalists alike. The fire-starting capability is a standout, too. The Garberg's sharp 90-degree spine is purpose-built for throwing a shower of sparks off a ferro rod, making firecraft effortless. Combine that with a durable stainless steel blade, which shrugs off corrosion and skips the constant oiling carbon blade's demand, and you've got an exceptionally low-maintenance, all-conditions tool. The handle is comfortable and grippy, locking into the palm for long sessions without hot spots, and the whole package feels rugged and ready for serious abuse. There's even a multi-mount version with a versatile sheath system for belt, pack, or vest carry, plus a survival kit edition that integrates a ferro rod and sharpener right into the sheath. The value proposition is incredible. For a full tang, battening-capable, fire-ready Schrade from a trusted name, it costs a fraction of what comparable knives demand, making it arguably the best bang for buck hard-used bushcraft blade on the market. Number 4. ESE3. It is a benchmark bushcraft and survival blade beloved by outdoorsmen worldwide, and it sneaks in right around our budget cap while delivering capability and a warranty that punch far above its price. The construction is the heart of its appeal. The ESE3 is built around a full tang blade of 1095 high-carbon steel, renowned for its strength and toughness, making it a knife you can genuinely abuse. It carves, batons, drills, pries, and prepares with absolute confidence, shrugging off the kind of hard use that would push lesser blades to their limits. It's a tool built to be trusted when it matters. What makes it such a refined performer is the attention to detail and the geometry. The blade is ground thin enough behind the edge to slice and carve beautifully, yet the stock is robust enough for serious work, and the squared spine throws great sparks off a ferro rod for fire starting. The grippy micarta handle scales are sculpted for genuine all-day comfort and lock into the palm even when wet or muddy. Reviewers consistently praise its do-anything reliability. The ESE3 combines all the features you want out of a bushcraft and survival knife. It's made of a rugged steel that takes serious abuse, and it has a conventional, versatile design that lends itself to just about any task you can throw at it. That all-around competence is exactly why it's earned such a devoted following. The legendary ESE warranty is the cherry on top. ESE backs its knives with a famously bomb-proof, no questions asked guarantee. If you break it, they replace it no matter what. That kind of confidence from the manufacturer is rare at any price, and it makes the ESE3 a genuine buy it for life proposition. A thriving aftermarket of sheaths and accessories lets you endlessly customize your carry setup, too. The blade requires basic care to ward off rust, as all carbon steels do, but that minimal upkeep is well worth the toughness. Number 3. Bench-made real steel bushcraft Convex. It is a standout value blade that has earned serious praise from the bushcraft community, offering fit, finish, and materials that feel like they belong on a knife, costing far more than its modest sub-$100 sticker. This is a knife built around thoughtful, performance-focused design. The real steel bushcraft features a full tang blade with a well-executed grind, paired with quality steel and comfortable, grippy handle scales. That full tang construction gives it the strength for battening and hard tasks, while the blade geometry is dialed in for the controlled carving and feather sticking that bushcraft demands. What genuinely sets it apart in this price bracket is the caliber of fit and finish. Real Steel has built a reputation for delivering tight tolerances, clean grinds, and premium-feeling details at budget prices, the kind of refinement you simply don't expect at this level. Pick one up, and it feels like a knife that should cost 2 or 3 times as much. The steel and handle combination is dialed in for real-world use. The blade takes a keen edge and holds it well through hard carving, while resharpening remains straightforward in the field. The contoured handle scales, often in durable G10 or warm micarta, lock into the palm comfortably for long sessions and shrug off moisture and grime without complaint. It typically ships with a quality sheath that carries the blade securely and comfortably, rounding out a package that feels genuinely complete straight out of the box. For a knife at this price, that attention to the whole kit is a welcome and rare touch. The whole appeal here is punching above your weight class. The Real Steel Bushcraft proves that you don't need a legacy brand name to get a genuinely excellent, refined, hard-used woodcraft blade. You just need smart design and honest construction, both of which this knife has in abundance. Number 2. Mora Kansbol. It is a do-it-all field knife with a genuinely innovative grind geometry, and in its multi-mount configuration, it becomes one of the most adaptable, capable bushcraft values on the entire market. The headline feature is that ingenious blade profile. The Kansbol features a unique blade with a Scandi grind near the tip, transitioning to a thinner profile toward the handle, enhancing versatility. That transition is genuinely clever. You get the classic, controllable Scandi bite up front for carving and detail work, while the thinner section toward the handle excels at slicing tasks like food prep and game processing. It's the best of both worlds in a single, affordable blade. That versatility makes it a standout for hunters and all-rounders alike. Whether you're dressing game, carving trap triggers, prepping dinner at camp, or peeling feather sticks for a fire, the Kansbol handles it all with the kind of effortless control that belies its bargain price. It's a genuine jack of all trades that actually masters most of them. The multi-mount version is what elevates it to this lofty spot. That upgraded sheath system adds serious carry flexibility, letting you mount the knife on a belt, pack, vest, or maul webbing in multiple orientations. It transforms an already excellent blade into a fully adaptable field system, ready for whatever your environment demands. Like all Moras, it delivers staggering value. The blade comes wickedly sharp from the factory. The high visibility handle options make it hard to lose in leaves or snow, and the grippy, ergonomic grip locks into the palm and stays controllable even when wet or cold. The whole package feels rugged and ready to spike, costing a tiny fraction of premium blades. The one honest caveat: like the Companion, it's a stick tang rather than full tang design, so it's not built for hardcore battening of thick logs, but for carving, slicing, and all-around field work, it's phenomenally capable. Number 1. Morakniv Companion. And here it is, the number 1 bushcraft knife under $100 in 2026. The Morakniv Companion has earned this crown by being, quite simply, the greatest bushcraft value the world has ever seen. An absurdly affordable, genuinely excellent blade that has introduced more people to woodcraft than any other knife on Earth. When experts are asked for a first bushcraft recommendation, this is overwhelmingly the answer, and for very good reason. The value here is almost impossible to believe. The Morakniv Companion offers exceptional value, making it one of the most popular and best-selling bushcraft knives on the market. That popularity isn't hype. It's the result of a knife that simply does its core job better than blades costing many times more. For a tiny fraction of our budget cap, you get a genuine, properly executed Scandi grind that carves like a dream straight out of the box. The carving performance is where this little Swede truly shines. The Companion's thin blade and Scandi grind make it an excellent carver, perfect for crafting feather sticks and other bushcraft tasks. That razor-thin stock paired with the classic Scandinavian bevel means it bites into wood with effortless precision, peeling off the kind of fine, fuzzy feather sticks that get a fire roaring even in damp conditions. For pure woodcraft, it punches absurdly above its weight. The heavy-duty version is what earns it this top spot. The Companion HD steps up to a thicker, more robust blade stock, giving you noticeably more strength and confidence for light battening and harder tasks than the standard model, all while retaining that legendary carving ability and rock-bottom price. It's the sweet spot of capability and affordability. The grippy rubberized handle fills the palm comfortably and locks in even when wet or cold. The blade comes scary sharp from the factory, and the whole package is light enough to forget you're carrying it. It's available in both carbon and stainless versions, so you can pick your preferred balance of edge toughness versus rust resistance. The undisputed bushcraft value champion of 2026.